Please welcome Maria.
My name is Maria Nkechinyere. The house is beautiful, like everyone's amazing. Mado.
Maria, congratulations.
Ikenna, I am tired.
Fig?
No, she's your friend. Can we please all stay together?
I got a strike.
Maria, you are hereby issued a strike.
Because I almost got misled, and I'm not falling for it again. I'll wash your clothes, I'll iron it. Massages whenever you want, head, shoulder.
Don't really argue.
Pay me 20, I beg now.
Maria, you were chosen as the wild card.
I think I'm doing a great job. I'm actually proud of myself.